3 points. Nasa yung mic? Wala yung mic.
Oh, 3-0.
Huli. Steal ng bola. Lucas for 3. Muntik na. Yeah, short. Dilupot. 2 points. 3-2. Huli. Huli. Uy, muntik na. Gablay. 3-2 pa rin. Foul daw muna. Oh, travel daw. 3-2. Oy, 5-2 na po. 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah, you know I'm a 9-figure nigga. We put him like 10 by 10.
2 points.
Send that bitch and spin it again.
1 point lead.
Take some money, nigga. Fuck, man.
4 minutes, 20 seconds. Good. Oh, Lucas for 3. Big shot. Pala. Uy, muntik na. 2 points ba niya? Lamang lang po ng 2 points. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Mahaba pa. Malayo pa. Lucas for 3. Uy, on fire. On fire, 11-6 na po. Pala. Uy, long pass. Cross pass. Yan. Uy, hey! Galing daw sa labas. 3 minutes left. Layo pa. 3 minuto pa. Uwi na kayo. Susundo ba? Susundo kayo? Wala pa ba? Siya ano? Still. Uy. 3. Pasok. 3 points. 2 points na lang po. Close fight. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Uy. Good. Big 2 points. 2 minutes left. And 1 down. 1:55 seconds left. 4-point lead. Number 6. For trip. Uy. 130. Just for 3. Sumablay. Pinukot, 2 points. Dalawa na lang po. Ang labang, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Close fight. Lucas for 3. Oy! Big shot na naman po. Oh, pala. 1 minute left. Stop clock tayo. 15 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Teka, dalawa, teka. 59. GR for 3. Pasok po. 50 seconds. Bravo, 40 seconds. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 2 points. Tabla na po.
Twice to beat.
10 seconds, may matitira. 10, 9, 8, 7. Uy, supply. Uy, 2 points, labang na po. 8, 7, 6, 5. Uy, teka lang. 6 seconds tayo, may 6 seconds. Sayang. Oh, 6 seconds, 6 seconds. Dalawa labang. 6 seconds po. Okay, 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, teka lang. 2 seconds. May 2 seconds pa. 2 seconds na lang po. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. 2, 3, 2, 1. Tabla na po. Talo po ang kabila. Diba?